Hello, welcome to Food and Barbecue. Okay, so I've been back in Sweden for a while, and I'm starting to go through all the spice mixes and stuff that I bought and some that I got. This, which is chicken seasoning, sazonadar, okay, Kirby, you're gonna tell me what this is, right? Sazonadar para pollo. It's a chicken taco seasoning mix that I'm going to try out today. This has a friend, which is a carne asada seasoning, and I'm going to try that out maybe tomorrow or something like that. And anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make tacos. It's Tuesday, so I'm going to make tacos for today. I'm going to make adapted Pico De Gallo using what I have at home, and then I'm going to season up some chicken breast, and I'm going to show you how to do that, so tag along. Okay, so what I've got is I've got four chicken breasts, and I got lime. So the point is to take these chicken breasts. I'm just going to cut away the fat from them, because that's not going to make it any fun. And then I'm going to put them in a glass container like that. And then I will squeeze a little bit of lime and put some seasoning on there. The seasoning is, if I listen to what Kirby said, a little goes a long way. So I'm going to be trying not to use it up the way I normally do, because I can't really get any more. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chicken like so. I've got half lime. I'm going to start off by squeezing some lime juice on here. This is going to help tenderize the meat a little bit as well, so I think that's good. So, move everything around. There we go. Like I said, so this is we're going to use about, at maximum, half a teaspoon of seasoning per breast. So that's not a lot. There we go. Looking like that. So we're going to put it in the fridge and let it rest for about 30 minutes, and then it's time to fry them. I'm going to pan sear them. So meet you back in a bit. And then we're going to convert this into a Pico De Gallo kind of thingy. So I've got some pipe onion that we harvested when we were down south. I've got some bell peppers, which is going to be substituted. It's going to substitute for the jalapenos because I don't want it to be hot. Got some tomatoes, I've got some lime, and I've got some basil because we're going to go low on the cilantro today. I'm going to chop this up, add it to the bowl, and I'll show you what it turned out to be. And there we go. Las Pico De Gallo. Okay, there we go. So it's been about 30 minutes. Or so, depending on which way you want to look at it. So we're gonna use this stainless pan, and we're gonna use Tsang's stir fry oil, even though it's not a stir fry. There we go, time to assemble. I'm going to cut this up. This has reached 170 or so, 75 Celsius, which is food safe. It's very hot. And then to this we're going to add a little bit of cheese, a little bit of chicken, like so. There we go. A little bit of cheese. And then we're going to top it with some Pico De Gallo. And since this is mine, I'm going to have some jalapenos on there. There we go. So I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna have a taste test. There we go. Extreme close up. So let's see if this is doable. Probably not. Well, I'm gonna keep my gloves on. It's very nice. Again, thank you, Kirby. I wouldn't have been able to do this without you. Thank you for your help this morning, and thank you for buying me the seasoning. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.